So it's April Fool's Day. And with it being April Fool's, Oppo had to come out with a April Fool's phone that they're quote unquote releasing, but they're not actually releasing. This is fully a joke, guys. It's a cute phone. Play it. Oh my lordy. Yeah, so according to Oppo, this is a Rubik's Cube phone. It's solar powered, so no ports, no USB-C ports. The battery lasts forever. You never have to charge it because you just leave it in the sun. And yeah, this is the concept of the phone. And this is the little marketing material, the inside the box. It just comes with the actual phone because, again, you don't need a USB-C port. Also, it doesn't have cameras. It doesn't have like 90% of things that a phone would have. But it does have LCD screens on all the corners of the phone. And it looks absolutely gorgeous. It's also starting at a price tag of $17,000, which is very low for, the phone. And it's the future of phone technology in your pocket. I don't know about your pocket, actually. Could you fit this thing in your pocket? I guess you could. Depends on what you're wearing, but yeah, so I wish more companies would come out with April Fool's phones. I feel like it would be awesome, but I feel like Oppo is also like, there's that company that always pushes the envelope, right? They're the company that always pushes everything to its limits when it comes to ideas. So they're the perfect company to come out with a April Fool's phone. But I feel like there could be other, companies coming out with April Fool's phones as well. So, Samsung, Google, Apple, not fun enough, but Google and Samsung. Vivo will probably come out with an April Fool's phone, in all honesty. But I'll be honest, I don't think anyone's going to compete with Oppo here. Oppo really has hit it outside the park with this phone. The absolute beautiful phone it is. So if you want to pick yours up today, you can't. It doesn't exist, and it's not ever going to exist, but the concept is cool. They said camera placement, a trade-off in the name of progress. What? It's the world's first cube-shaped smartphone. New upcoming. Innovation has a bold new shape. Whereas the USB-C port is solar panel. Make it happen. Yeah. I love Oppo. I truly, over the years of covering Oppo and all foldable phone manufacturers, I feel like Oppo is my favorite now. They push the envelope in so many different ways, and they're also funny, and they're also humorous, and they're also a little bit of a troll too, and I love it. So peace out, guys.